or humawak sa mga niluluto. Number 6, use separate equipment and utensils for handling raw foods. Dapat tayo ay may separate na gamit such as the chopping board or the knife for preparing raw foods at dun sa mga cooked foods na po natin para maiwasan natin yung pagsalin-salin ng mikrobyo. Kung wala po tayong separate na gamit for them, as much as possible, lagi po nating huhugasan ng mabuti yung ating mga gamit bago natin gamitin sa panibagong hihiwain or mga paggagamitan. Number 7, sanitize all surfaces and equipment used for food preparation. So, nung grade 9 kayo, diniscuss unang-una yung maintain cleanliness and kitchen premises. Tama po ba? So, hindi nawawala sa atin si sanitation. So, still, kahit kayo ay grade 10, dapat kailangan nating i-practice yung sanitation na tinatawag. Okay. Number 8, guidelines. Clean thoroughly the cutting boards and work areas after each use. Syempre tayo, why cutting boards? Why cutting boards? Ang pinaka-highlight po dyan. Because most of the time, ang cutting boards po kasi, ang pinaka-maaaring pugaran ng iba't ibang mikrobyo. That's why, kailangan po, pagkatapos po natin magluto or gamitin ito, lagi po nating huhugasan. As well as, also, your working station or your working area. Clean thoroughly. Number 9, protect the kitchen areas and food from insects, pests, and other animals. So, when it comes to kitchen areas, kapag tayo ay nagluluto, syempre dahil yan ay kusina, dyan tayo nagluluto, dapat po, it's free from any insects or pests. Para po, maiwasan po yung pagkontamina ng piniprepare nating pagkain. Number 10, maintain the highest standards of sanitation in the kitchen at all times. Kagaya nga po ng sinabi ko sa inyo, nung grade 9 pa lang po kayo, diniscuss na po yan. And as well as ngayon na grade 10 kayo, you need to maintain it, especially with the highest standards. Dahil po, we are practicing sanitation or cleanliness sa ating paligid. Number 11, repair immediately broken but still serviceable kitchen tools, utensils, and equipment to be ready for next use. So, the word repair. So, kapag daw po may sira na po yung mga gamit natin, kahit medyo konting sira lang yan, as much as possible, you need to repair or check it. Bakit po? Para maiwasan po natin yung pagkakaroon ng aksidente habang tayo ay nagluluto or kumikilo sa loob ng kusina. Number 12, sanitize completely all kitchen utensils, especially cups, saucers, flatware after each use. So, lagi pong paulit-ulit pong sinasabi na kailangan i-practice natin yung sanitation and cleanliness. Number 13, provide adequate space, proper ventilation, and window screens in the area. So, if you're going to work on your kitchen, okay, as much as possible, double check if your kitchen has an adequate space and proper ventilation para po mas madali po tayong makakilos. Next. Alright, so another guidelines on proper and safe handling of food. Number 14, provide garbage receptacle for proper waste disposal. So kapag tayo ay nasa kusina, you need to provide garbage receptacle para mas madali na lang po nating maitatapon yung ating mga kalat or yung mga basura po natin. Number 15, check expiry dates of food commodities bought and those in stock. So, kapag tayo ay namimili, huwag pong kakalimutan na i-check ang expiry dates. Huwag lang po tayo puro sa brand titingin. You need to check the expiry dates also. Number 16, para mas marami pa tayong nutrients na makuha, you use iodized salt for seasoned preparations. Number 17, cover the food properly. Ayan. Number 18, practice segregation of materials. So, kanina, I asked you to provide garbage receptacle, as well as you need to practice yung tamang paghihiwalay ng mga nabubulok sa mga hindi nabubulok. Ayan. Number 19, store food properly. Ayan, kapag katapos na po natin gawin yung ating mga niluluto, kapag kami natira, dapat po ay maayos po natin siyang tinatabi, maging ang ating mga tirang ingredients. Number 20, do not leave cooked food at a room temperature for more than 2 hours. Ayan, bakit po? Para daw po maiwasan yung pagdapon ng iba't ibang mikrobyo na nagiging sanhi kung bakit minsan sumasakit ang tiyan natin. Number 21. Refrigerate properly all cooked and perishable food, preferably below 5 degrees Celsius within 4 hours. So, kapag tayo ay tapos na po magluto, yung mga natitira pong mga pagkain, so you can refrigerate it para mas tumagal pa po siya. Next, number 22. Do not store food too long even in the refrigerator. Ayan. There are some instances na may mga pagkain na okay lang tumagal sa refrigerator as long as na ito ay maayos na pag-store. But then, wag lang po sobrang tagal. Baka po buwan na po yan o kaya taon na po yan. Okay, wag naman po sana. Number 23. Use iodized salt as a must, a salt season preparation, as I said a while ago. Number 24. Thaw food inside the refrigerator, not a room temperature. Ayan. Yan, what do you mean by thaw? Okay, thaw is another term for the frosting. So, kapag tayo ay may mga lagay sa refrigerator such as the meat products na sobra-sobra ang pagkaka-frozen, ugalihin po natin na ito po ito not in the room temperature. Meron po tayong tinatawag na iba't ibang klase ng methods for thawing the food. We have the refrigerator thawing method, we have the microwave thawing method, we have the another one, nakalimutan ko na, but it will be discussed to you by the next meeting. And number 25, the last one, is that practice segregation of the materials. I guess you are now ready for our activity today. Answer activity 3 on your modules. Avoid erasures. Good luck! Remember, food cooked with starches and cereals improves the physical and nutritive quality of foods. Different dishes can be cooked using starches because of its various functions. Thickener, gelling, binder, filler, stabilizer, emulsifier, moisture, retainer, coating, ducting, diluents, coloring, texture modifier, and fat replacer are the various functions of starches. Common problems in cooking starch happen, and these are thinning of gel, weak gel, skin formation, scorching, raw starch, syneresis, and run texture. In cooking cereals, principles should apply to prevent improper and poor quality of cooking it. Guidelines on proper and safe handling of food should be observed to avoid contamination of the food, spoilage of the food, and even minor or major accident that may happen during the food preparation. Alright, again, what are the common problems in cooking starch, and what are the principles should we apply to prevent improper and poor quality of it? Great! Good job, students! Okay, now let us check your understanding. Sentence structure game. For the direction, choose picture of any dish that is prepared and cooked with starch and cereals, and compose 5 sentences that will describe it. Based on preparing starch and cereal dishes, write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Avoid erasures. Good luck! For your post-test, read each question carefully. Match column A with column B. Write the letter as your answer in separate paper. Please refer to your module. Avoid erasures. For your reflection, prepare starch and cereal dishes. Write a reflective learning on the preparation of starch and cereal dishes by completing the statement inside the idea cloud. Write your answer in a separate sheet of paper. I learned that at the end of this day, I will blank. I found out that. Answer on your modules. Avoid erasures. Thank you so much again for viewing today's video presentation on Cookery 10. Hope that this presentation will help you a lot. Keep safe and God bless everyone. Goodbye.